So Photoshop now has a new content-aware field that uses AI. It's called Generative Fill. I've never used it, so let's see if it's any good. I think we need a photo. We need a photo. Let's use this one. And I think I just need to select something, like for example, this area right here. And then through this widget down here, I should be able to tell Photoshop what I want. Let's say old farm. All right, it's working. Still working. Oh my, this is so good. And you even have a few options. That is so impressive. I am honestly blown away. That is so impressive. Gee.